In today's video, I'm going to teach you some quick tips for Google Workspace, focusing on how to effectively use NotebookLM. This tool can enhance your productivity by allowing you to better organize information and access it in an intuitive way. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. This is the place where you can find everything you'll need to get started with NotebookLM. Once you're at Google, simply type NotebookLM in the search bar. It's a straightforward way to locate the service, rather than navigating through a maze of menus and links. After that, hit search and look for the official NotebookLM website in the list of results. Once you've found the official link, click on it to open the NotebookLM homepage. Here, you'll find a wealth of resources and options that will help you better manage your notebooks. Look for and click on the button that says, Try NotebookLM. It's usually prominently displayed, inviting you to explore its features. After accessing the tool, you'll be greeted with the option to Create New. Click on this to start a new notebook. This is where the magic begins. With a new notebook, you can start organizing your documents and sources much like typical note-taking software, but with additional capabilities. Next, you'll want to upload your sources. This feature allows you to centralize all your documents, making it a breeze to reference various materials without flipping through endless tabs. Once your sources are uploaded, NotebookLM puts AI at your disposal. You can ask questions or input prompts such as, "What are the top risks in this report?" The system then analyzes your sources to provide you with detailed insights. This feature is highly efficient, saving you considerable time that would otherwise be spent on manual cross-referencing. Once you've input a question or prompt, all you need to do is click Submit. This sends your query to the system, which then retrieves the necessary information from your uploaded documents. As you interact with NotebookLM, you might find useful insights or answers that you'll want to easily access later. Use the Save to Note feature for this. It allows you to save interesting parts of the dialogue directly into your notebook. This step ensures that you have a repository of valuable insights that you can revisit at any time. Finally, for those who prefer listening over reading, notebook sources can be turned into audio or video overviews. This podcast-style option is incredibly handy for on-the-go learning, whether you're commuting or taking a walk. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering NotebookLM, making it an essential part of your productivity toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips and tricks helpful as you continue to explore the capabilities of Google Workspace.